Hello everyone, welcome to the Autoimmune Dietitian YouTube channel. My name is Annie. I'm a registered dietitian and I work with people struggling with autoimmune diseases. In my work with my clients, I help them use both food and lifestyle as a way to improve their symptoms and hopefully give them a bit of their normal life back. So fiber, if you haven't noticed, it's a thing right now, and I swear every wellness influencer is pushing two things: protein and fiber. And I'm not against either. In fact, fiber is a huge part of gut health. But there is a specific type of fiber that you want to make sure that you are getting, and that's called prebiotic fiber. This type of fiber feeds bacteria who produce something called short-chain fatty acids. So today I'll cover what this type of fiber is and why it is important for inflammation and the immune system. Before I jump in, I just need to attach my usual disclaimer that the information in today's talk is not the substitute for the diagnosis, treatment, or care of disease by a medical provider. This is for informational purposes only. Please consult your qualified health professional for any changes you make to your medical care. Okay, so what is prebiotic fiber? Let's first talk about fiber. Fiber is a part of plant-based foods that your body can't digest. Most people are aware of the two different types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, hence why it's called soluble, and forms a gel-like substance in your intestines. It's known for its ability to lower cholesterol and slow down digestion. Soluble fiber is found in foods like oats, apples, and avocados. The other type of fiber is insoluble fiber. Unlike soluble fiber, insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water. Your body actually cannot digest it, and it remains intact throughout your digestive process. This type of fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps move food through your digestive tract. So therefore, insoluble fiber is a good thing to eat when you have constipation. It's found in carrots, whole grains, nuts, and celery. Prebiotic fiber is a special type of soluble fiber that your body cannot digest. Instead, these fibers travel to your large intestine and provide food for your microbiome. Bacteria use this type of fiber to produce really important metabolites called short-chain fatty acids. Prebiotic fiber is found in foods like garlic, onions, asparagus, unripe bananas, and oats. And along with short-chain fatty acid production, prebiotic fiber have the following health benefits. First, they help increase bacteria in the microbiome, specifically bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, which are two really helpful and good bacteria families to have. They increase calcium absorption, they decrease protein fermentation, they decrease pathogenic bacteria, they decrease allergy risk, they improve gut integrity, and improve immune system defense. So, what are short-chain fatty acids, you're probably asking yourself. These are a collection of fatty acids that are produced by prebiotic fiber fermentation. There are three primary short-chain fatty acids produced by these by your microbiome. It is acetate, propionate, and butyrate. Each of these has specific roles within the body. Acetate is the smallest short-chain fatty acid, and it provides energy to brain and tissue cells. It also fights inflammation and reduces leaky gut. Propionate is a 3-carbon short-chain fatty acid that regulates gut hormones, including those involved in appetite, such as GLP-1. It can also lower inflammation and improve leaky gut. And then butyrate is the most studied short-chain fatty acid and has the most impact on autoimmune diseases. It has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It can regulate gut permeability and may help regulate the gut-brain axis. So why are these fibers and fatty acids important? Well, both prebiotic fiber and short-chain fatty acids are important for autoimmune conditions. We need the prebiotic fibers to generate the short-chain fatty acids. And additionally, short-chain fatty acids facilitate communication between gut bacteria and the immune system. They can also suppress pro-inflammatory cytokine production and help prevent immune attacks. Short-chain fatty acids also help clear pathogens and generate regulatory T cells to help maintain immune tolerance. So, how do you increase both prebiotic fiber and short-chain fatty acids in your body? Well, the best way to boost short-chain fatty acids production is to eat prebiotic fibers. You can find them in the following foods. So vegetables, within the vegetable family, you've got Jerusalem artichokes or sunchokes. dandelion greens, which are a great kind of green to add to any kind of salad, chicory root, asparagus, onions, jicama, and garlic. Fruit, you can find it in unripe bananas, apples, and avocados. Grains include things like barley, oats, and wheat bran. And then you can also find it in flax seeds and seaweed. So again, just to recap, today we talked about prebiotic fibers, why they're important, why we want short chain fatty acids in circulating in our body, and then how do we find them through food. If you need more help kind of managing your diet and working in these different types of fibers, I would love to help you. I offer free 15-minute discovery calls to learn about you and your goals and to see if I am a good fit for you. The link to book that is on my YouTube profile and also on my website, annierubin.com. I've also got a lot of educational materials on my website if you want to check that out. And then lastly, you can always look through my video of libraries to my library of videos, to learn more about how to manage autoimmune diseases with food and nutrition. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.